Good morning from day 29. Had a great night's sleep on Hog Ridgeback Shelter. Hogback Ridge Shelter. Sorry. Yeah, had a great night's sleep. Slept in my tent for the first time in the last like 4 or 5 days. So didn't hear any snoring, didn't hear any mice. So great night's sleep. We are on the top of High Rock, the northern ridge from where we came in at the shelter. And it's about 8 o'clock, so we're getting a little late start, but had to remember how to get my tent packed up and dried out and all that good stuff. So, no plans for today, just going to kind of head north and see where we land. We're about 26 miles out from Hot Springs, so definitely going to be 2 days. Just depends what tomorrow's going to look like. So, gonna get going. Gonna try to put some miles in, and I'll check in a bit. It's a nice morning. Really a little chilly, dry. A little bit of road walking. Don't see any blazes anywhere, but we are going the right way. Seems like a good place to camp. It's so nice to have dry shoes and dry socks again, but everything is squeaking now. Every step I take, I can just hear my shoes squeak. I'm sure you can't too. Time for new ones. That was a really steep climb. Wow. Alright, heading up Little Bald or Big Bald. I don't remember which one's first. This doesn't seem too bad, but it's like a 1,500 foot elevation gain. Feeling so sluggish today. Oh, oh, this is trail magic. Soda. Oh my god. And drop off your trash. That's amazing. What's in here? Let's move this there. Eggs, bananas, vanilla wafers, apple, orange. Whew. I'll take a banana. Oh, that's amazing. All right. I actually think I will drop off my trash here. That is trail magic in itself. After 4 days of food carry, being able to drop off your trash. So I'm gonna do that and drink this delicious ice cold Coke. We're almost there. Not even at the top yet. Keep going. Here's the benchmark from Big Bald. I suppose that's Little Bald over there. That'll be our next destination. It's amazing. Great weather. Feels so good up here. The views are incredible, as most balds have been. Really happy the weather's cleared up. This Fire Skull Mountain, we didn't really have great views like this, but all right, next stop, Little Bald. All right, heading down Big Bald and then over to Little Bald. Actually, I believe the two that are hiking over to Little Bald I was hiking with the past few days. But of course I've been lollygagging, so looks like I've fallen behind around a mile. That's okay. This is so incredible. We are on Little Bald. awesome day. Maybe I'm just really fortunate with the views that I've been getting when I hike up all of the balds. But Max Patch is incredible. Waya Bald, Siler Bald, and then Big Apple Bald. Just incredible views. This kind of makes up for the bad weather we had from Fire Scald. Although it was nice being cold, doing all that scrambling. There's, I think, 1 or 2 more small inclines just about to the top of High Rocks. Whew. That's amazing. Whew. Man, that's a big rock. That's a big tree that fell. Okay, onward. Whew. Hey everybody, just checking in. We're on our last elevation increase for the day. Getting tired. We're 4.4 miles away from the next shelter. And it's around, so it's just after 3 o'clock. Just stopped to get some water. There's plenty of it. But I think the next shelter might be our target for the day. It'll put us just over 20 miles for the day. And then tomorrow morning, before noon, we should be able to get into Erwin. And I may end up taking a Nero in Erwin just to recharge batteries and restock and all that good stuff. Hopefully do some laundry because in Hot Springs I basically just clean my clothes in the sink and they could actually use a proper wash. So just stopped to get some water, quick snack, and we're gonna keep heading to the shelter. Wow. Look how many trees are down from the storm. I was told that I was gonna come across this coming out of Hot Springs, but it's surprising. All right, road crossing. Just gotta go up one more up, and then we go straight down into Erwin. So I arrived here at No Business Knob Shelter. It's about 7 o'clock. I've set up camp, ate food, and getting ready to do some editing and go to bed. Didn't make it into town today. However, we are 6.5 miles. I did end up staying here. There was a water source that was 0.2 behind me, and there was none ahead. So just based on the time, and you know, I would get to town at 8:30 at night, and it didn't seem worth it. So in any case, we're gonna get up early. We're gonna do our 6.5 miles, and then we'll probably do a Nero in town, just to get some chores done, batteries charged. So yeah, I am sleeping in my tent tonight. There was some confirmed cases of norovirus in the shelter, so I will not be getting that. So in any case, I am off to bed, and I will see you in the morning.